If you love trend following strategies, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into one of the best RSI based strategies for trend trading. It's simple, effective, and highly profitable. We'll go through the indicators you need, the best settings, and how to time your entries and exits perfectly. The core of this strategy revolves around an indicator called Ultimate RSI, created by my favorite author, Luxalgo. Big shout out to them. To add it to your TradingView chart, open the indicator search tab and type in Ultimate RSI. Make sure to select the one by Luxalgo. Unlike the traditional RSI, which is mainly used to spot overbought and oversold conditions, this version is optimized for trend trading. It's designed to follow market momentum rather than going against it, making it a much more reliable tool for identifying strong trends. This indicator consists of a few key components. The white line, which changes color to green and red, is the ultimate RSI line. The orange line is the signal line. There are also horizontal lines marking the overbought and oversold levels, with a midline sitting in the center. When the ultimate RSI line moves above the midline, it signals the start of a bullish trend. If it climbs above the overbought level, it suggests the trend is particularly strong. On the other hand, if the RSI line drops below the midline, it indicates a bearish trend, and falling below the oversold level means the bearish momentum is gaining strength. The signal line plays a crucial role in measuring trend strength. During a bullish phase, if the ultimate RSI line stays above the signal line, it confirms a strong buying momentum. If it dips below, the bullish momentum is weakening, potentially signaling a pullback or a reversal. The same logic applies in bearish trends. If the RSI line remains below the signal line, selling pressure is increasing. If it crosses above, the bearish trend may be losing steam. To optimize this indicator, a few settings need to be changed. The length, which determines how many past candles are considered in the RSI calculation, is best left at the default value of 14. The method affects how the RSI is smoothed, and choosing TMA provides a balanced approach. The source should be set to close price to get the most accurate signals. For the signal line, adjusting the smoothing period and using TMA as the smoothing method helps filter out noise. To keep the chart clean, the opacity of the overbought and oversold levels can be reduced to 0, and their colors change to white. In the Style tab, these levels can be disabled entirely. Now that the ultimate RSI is configured, it's time to build a complete trading strategy. While the RSI helps confirm short-term trends, it needs support from other indicators to increase accuracy. To do this, we'll add 2 more tools, but fear not, because just before the end of the video, I will show you a TradingView hack to use more than just 2 indicators on your free plan, so you're gonna enjoy it. So one of them is gonna be for identifying the long-term trend, and another for entry confirmation. For the long-term trend filter, we'll use an indicator called EMA Trend Cloud by this amazing author. Once added, the fast EMA length should be set to 50 and the slow EMA length to 200. In the Style tab, unnecessary visual elements can be disabled for clarity. For entry confirmation, we'll use an indicator called a Trend Range Filter by this amazing author. This will help pinpoint precise buy and sell signals. With these 3 indicators combined, the strategy works as follows. The EMA Trend Cloud determines the overall market trend. If it's green and the price is above it, we're in a bullish trend. If it's red and the price is below it, the market is bearish. The Trend Range Filter provides entry signals. A long signal indicates a buy opportunity, and a short signal, of course, suggests a sell trade. The ultimate RSI confirms a short-term trend strength before entering a trade. Now, before getting into trading examples, I want to introduce you to my trading family at Bybit.
Welcome aboard our crypto arc where dreams meet freedom. Join us on this journey as we empower crypto believers with knowledge and tools to achieve their goals. And guess what? We're just getting started in this world of endless possibilities. Click the link below to join us now. Enjoy 0 fees on spot trading for the first 30 days and a chance to win up to 30,000 USDT in deposit rewards. Join Bybit today and ride the wave of crypto success.
Now, for a long trade, the EMA trend cloud must be green, confirming an uptrend. The ultimate RSI must cross above the signal line, and this crossover should happen below the midline. Once this happens, we wait for a long signal from the trend range filter. At the time of the signal, the ultimate RSI line must also be above both the midline and the signal line. If all conditions are met, we enter a long trade, placing the stop loss below the most recent swing low and setting the take profit at 1.5 times the risk for a 1 to 1.5 risk-reward ratio. One important rule to follow: if the RSI line drops below the signal line after entering a trade, avoid taking additional entries. Instead, wait for both lines to move below the midline before looking for new opportunities. For a short trade, the EMA trend cloud must be red, indicating a bearish trend. The ultimate RSI line must cross below the signal line, and this crossover should happen above the midline. Once this condition is met, we wait for a short signal from the trend range filter. At the time of the short signal, the ultimate RSI line must be below both the midline and the signal line. When all criteria align, a short position is entered, with the stop loss set above the most recent swing high and the take profit at 1.5 times the risk. This strategy is highly effective because it combines multiple layers of confirmation. The ultimate RSI is great for detecting short-term trend shifts, while the EMA trend cloud ensures trades align with the overall market direction. Adding the trend range filter further increases precision by providing clear entry signals. Now, as I am a man of my word, here you can check out the videos suggested on your screen, which I showed you previously in 2 separate videos, how you can use more than just 2 indicators on your free plan on top right and left, and on the bottom left and right. You can watch other videos which I showed you how to turn any trading strategy into a bot with alerts, all for free. If you found this strategy useful, don't forget to leave a like and consider subscribing if you haven't done it yet for more trading insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.